Okay, guess what, guys? We're gonna be playing the Mustang Sun in there for 5 minutes.
No, he's saying that we're gonna be playing annoying things. So let's go.
Alright, guys, this is for 9 minutes. Comment down below if you want us to do this anymore.
And also comment down below if you want us to do some more Fortnite videos.
And you cost dumb in the item shop.
Capital D-O or D-O-N-D-E.
It's only 1 minute and 12 seconds.
Left?
No. There's like 8 minutes left. There's a knife with here.
Isn't that annoying?
I can't imagine people that did like 10 hours of it. That actually listen to it. Hey, yo, next time you wanna watch a video that's 400 seconds long of me just sleeping, let's make a video of me sleeping.
100 minutes long.
No, yeah, 300.
Why do you even have that?
Whoa!
Well, let's do up to 5 minutes.
It's already almost 3 minutes.
You know what? 10 minutes.
Only goes on for 9.
Yeah, but you'll talk at the end. Hey, I'm sure. What if you delete a video that you have on YouTube? Will that video on YouTube be deleted?
Yeah.
Dang it.
Yeah, but if you delete it on your camera, it won't do anything.
Seriously?
You won't delete it off of YouTube.
What?
They won't delete it off YouTube.
Okay, then I'm gonna have to delete it too.
It's almost 5. It's almost 4. I can hear that. What if Mia wakes up? Only 5 minutes left.
Almost done.
That means it was 5 minutes. I'll be 4 minutes left. There's your mom, isn't here?
I just said Pikachu. Yeah, let's do it up to 6 minutes.
But we're not just gaming.
We also do a lot of other stuff. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope you watch another video of Gaming Team and tune in for our next video.
Mom Box Bros. Bye.